What is transformational leadership? Let's check it out. Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Rafiza Jalil. Today I will explain about transformational leadership. This topic I will explain about how to transform and manage the staff as a leader. In this topic, I will explain about understanding transformational leaderships, a leadership style that inspires, motivates, and transforms that mindset of team members to achieve a greater visions and goals within the organizations. Its influence deep change in behavior, value, and workplace, leading team members to become more competent, confident, and ready to take on greater responsibility. Who are these two figures? Let's go. First is James McGregor Burns. He was the first scholar to introduce the concept of transformational leadership in 1978. Burns viewed leadership as a process that evaluates the motivation, values, and mindset of followers, not just directing tasks. The keyword is a leadership that changes people's value and moral purpose. The second one is a Bernard Bass, about the dedicated letter Bernard Bass expands and strengthens Burns' idea. Bass formalized the theories and outlines the four components of transformational leaderships. The first one is inspirational motivations, idealized influence, intellectual stimulation, and the last one is individualized considerations. Keyword is a leadership that boosts, transforms, motivates, and develops followers using measurable behavior. Transformational leadership has four dimensions. The first one is idealized influence. What is idealized influence? Idealized influence is a highly respected role model. Walk the walk, enthusiasms, and embodied value. For example, Mala Yousafzai. She is a Pakistani activist known for the fighting for the girls' right to education. She later became the youngest Nobel Peace Prize winner for her courage and global works promoting education for all. What is inspirational motivations? Inspirational motivation is about the optimism and enthusiasm for goals. Clear visions, optimism, intuitions, and productivity. For example, Simon Sinek. He is a speaker or author, a best-selling author. The title book is Start with Why, and he motivates leaders and organizations to focus on visions, meanings, and long-term purpose rather than just results. What is intellectual stimulations? Intellectual stimulation is about the critical thinking and entrepreneurs, and then it's about the creativity, goals, and challenges. For example, for the Elon Musk, as you know, Elon Musk is a technology entrepreneur and the visionaries behind the giant companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, Neutralines, and the Boring Company. Individualized consideration. From the theory bus, individualized consideration is about empathy and genuine purpose. For example, Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is a celebrity and talk host. It's about talk host show, the Oprah Winfrey shows, and the highly influential, appealing topics. She listens the empathy, values each person's unique experience, and offers genuine support and helps people grow emotional and professional. This is about the mentorships, empathy, purpose, strength, and skill. Next is a four-phase transformational leadership process. What is a four-phase? That is describe how leader create a clear visions, communicate it effectively, empower people to act and turn change into long-term culture. Let's go the first step. First is create visions. So the second process is about communicate visions. The third process of transformational leadership is empower actions. The last process is institutionalize change. What is characteristic of transformational leadership? That have 5 characteristics. Theory or model transformational leaderships. What is challenges and interventions? From the research paper Savita Yadas and Vinita Agrawal's 2017 from the Bernard Bass theory. The first one's challenges is managing constant organizations change. That is organization change rapidly making it difficult for leaders to adapt quickly and gain followers effectively. Leaders may struggle to train and motivate staff in dynamic conditions. Implementing change effectively. That is setting visions, is easier than executing in its real organization's context. A leader faces difficult due to different environments and systems and employees' readiness. And the last one about the challenges is information overload. Leaders face specific data and struggle to identify what is strategic important. This can overwhelm leaders and slow decision making. And then what the intervention or the problem solving from the challenges. The first one is develop and communicate compelling visions. As a leader, you should clearly articulate and inspiring and meaningful visions. This helps followers understand why change is necessary. Encourage open and honest communications. Leader must promote transparency and create safe space for feedbacks. Honest feedbacks improves trust and leadership qualities. Institutionalize change. What is about that? This is about successful change must be embedded into policies, systems, and organizations' culture. This ensures long-term sustainability of transformation leaderships. This is a research paper for the transformational leadership of school principals and teachers. Job satisfactions in Sekolah Rendah Kinta Selatan Perak. This is a finding from the research paper Transformational Leadership of Schools Principals and Teacher Job Satisfactions in Sekolah Rendah Kinta Selatan Perak. This is a result from research paper. If you want to know more about instructional leadership and transformational leadership, please scan this QR code for the full video. Thank you.